Hey guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. Today we are going to be trying out this new collection from Bella Beaute Bar, this new Molten Melted Baked collection drops on August the 2nd at 11 a.m. CST. My affiliate code Steff10 will save you 10% off of your order, but we got 3 palettes here plus a mascara that I am going to show you. Let's start off with what I think is one of the most beautiful palettes in the bunch, and this is the Molten Chromes palette. Look at how beautiful those 6 multi-chrome shadows are. Now I'll have prices and everything in the description box in case you want to refer to that, but just know that my affiliate code Steff10 will save you 10% off of your order. We're also getting a blush palette. I'm really excited for this one. These are the 6 different blushes we're getting, and you also get a mirror up at the top. Really like seeing that lavender blush in there. I think that looks really pretty, and I think that in person these look a little more vibrant than what they're coming across on the monitor. We also have the Melted Mattes palette, so this is going to be a full-on matte palette, and you can see what that looks like. Some nice neutral tones in there. You can see this color right here is the one I have my eye on. I don't know which shades I'm going to use today. I'm wearing this blue and green dress, so I guess anything could go. And then finally, we have the volumizing mascara right here, and this is the Lush Lash Mascara, which I will be using in today's video. Again, my affiliate link, my code, and prices will be in the description box. Please refer to that in case you have any questions. And of course, I will put this in my community section maybe about an hour or so before it drops. That way you guys can set your alarms and get ready in case this is going to be a collection you're going to want to add to your stash. If it is your first time here on my channel, let me just say hello and welcome to all of you. My name is Steff. I love trying out new makeup. I'm primarily a new makeup review channel, but I do multiple looks with eyeshadow palettes, makeup ranking videos, get ready with me style of videos. If that sounds great to you, I want to invite you to become part of our makeup family. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button and hit the bell next to it. That way you'll be notified every time I do drop a new video. And if you're a fan of Bella Beaute Bar, they do have some amazing palettes, some of my favorite palettes. Then please give this video a big thumbs up before you go. Again, check the description box for not just links and codes to Bella Beaute Bar, but to other favorite indie brands. Some of those links and codes are affiliated, so if you do end up shopping, I thank you so much for supporting me and my channel. This is going to be just an overall first impression. I'm only doing one look with this collection, but you can rest assured I will use this again on my channel. If you guys want to see this new Bella Beaute Bar collection in action, keep on watching. All right, so let's go in first with the blush palette. This is the Baked Blush Face and Cheek palette. And I'm kind of leaning towards this shade up here. This one is called Cannoli. So I'm going to take that on my Beach Cosmetics brush, and I'm just going to start applying a little higher up on the cheekbone and just blend it into my hairline. I can't remember, has Bella Beaute Bar released blushes before? Somehow I don't think so. And if they have, it's been quite a while. These are all matte too, by the way. That looks nice. That's a nice soft wash of color. Okay, I think that looks really good. I'm gonna just clean the brush off on the back of my hand. I want to add a little bit of this pink down here. This one is called Shortcake. Just right here to the apples of the cheek. Normally I probably wouldn't do this, but because I wanted to try more than one blush, that's why I'm just adding it. Plus I think it looks cute. Okay guys, blush is on. I'm loving it. I don't know that I'll do a highlighter today. I might just take care of that once I finish all of the makeup. But now let's dive into the 2 eyeshadow palettes. Okay, so we're going to start with the Melted Mattes palette. I laid down the e.l.f. Lock It Down eyeshadow primer, and you know what? Now that I'm thinking about it, I should have laid down a white primer so that the shade could really pop. But I think I will forego that shade, and I'll move a little this way. Like, these shades are really vibrant in person, and on the monitor, they're not coming across that way. And that's disappointing because I wanted you guys to really see how beautiful they are. But I think I'm going to start here with this one. Just FYI, this is a magnetic palette, so you can pop them all off and put them in your own palette. But I'm going to start here with this one, and then I'm going to move into the shade over here. And I'm using a Singe Beauty EO3 brush to apply. I used to have a Bella Beaute Bar eyeshadow primer, but I have gone through it already, so maybe I need to pick it up again. Now on a Singe EO2, I'm going to go in with this shade and then this shade. I'm just going to focus this shade on the crease or in the crease. All right, now I'm picking up some of that darker shade just out here, the outer corner. Same brush. I think these mattes are all blending together really nicely. And really, when you look at this, it's a pretty neutral palette. I mean, you have those fun pops of color at the bottom, but I mean, overall, this is a nice base for that multi-chrome palette. Okay, so I think we have a really nice blend going on. Before I add in the multi-chromes, let's take care of the lower lash line. And I think for the lower lash line, I'm going to go back in with this shade right here. And I'm using a BK204 to apply. Okay, so I think that is looking really, really good. Now we're going to go into the Molten Chromes palette. And what do I want to do here? We have this beautiful yellow, like fuchsia, an orangey gold, peach. I think that I'm going to start with this shade right here called Molten. And then I'm going to pop it maybe with a little bit of Bake, but I'm going to apply Molten all over the lid. And I'm using a What's Up Beauty R110 to apply. Again, I still don't have, I'm a broken record, but I still don't have my glitter primer. I just haven't ordered from a brand that has one that I'm going to get. So that's why, wow, that looks different. I thought it was gonna have a different reflect to it. I guess there's a little bit of maybe a pink in there. These do have a little bit of texture, but they do apply really easily. And it actually turns out to be smooth, like it's a smooth application. And you'll notice I'm not getting any fallout. And all I'm doing is spraying the brush with some setting spray. Okay, I think that looks really pretty. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go in with Bake. That's what it looks like. It has a little bit of a green reflect. Ooh, cool. Put that right here in the center. Ooh, yeah, I like it. I hope you guys can see the different reflects. Okay. I think we're off to a really good start. This is turning out to be a really, really nice collection. Now I'm just going to touch up the dark brown that's out here. All right, now we just need to do something for the inner corner. So what I think I'm going to do is do this shade right here. This one for the inner corner. And I'm using a BH Cosmetics pencil brush to apply. Wow. Super, super pigmented. And that's all just from one swatch of my brush. So it's able to do both inner corners. All right, guys, I want to show you what the mascara looks like, what the wand looks like before I go apply that off camera. Just look, a little bit of fallout, but nothing major. Wow, okay, I had a good time. Really nice time. So here we are with the Lush Lash Mascara. I like the packaging. And that's what the wand looks like. Plastic applicator. So I'm going to curl my lashes, add some eyeliner, and I'll be right back to give you guys my initial first impressions. And I will do a wear test over this makeup, and I'll give you my final thoughts when I get home from work. All right, guys, so here is the completed look. I did use 2 coats of the mascara, and I think I like it. I like the separation that I'm getting, and I think it's holding the curl. I did add some Wet n Wild Breakup Proof liquid liner to the top lash line and an old ColourPop gold eyeliner to the lower waterline. I can't even tell you what shade it is because it's already rubbed off, but it's like a shimmer or metallic gold liner. I think the blush looks really nice. I think the look is very neutral, but it still has that fun pop with the gold and the yellow, and I love it. I think this turned out really nice. I was expecting something brighter, I guess, because you do have the brighter mattes at the bottom of the palette, and I just don't think the camera does it justice, but I'm very happy with this look. I think it's very work appropriate. I think it goes with my dress for today. The Molten Chromes palette I think is very pretty and also neutral. If you can't wear a whole bunch of sparkly different blues and greens and purples to work and stuff, this is actually a nice neutral multi-chrome palette. And I also felt the blush looks really good. They're nice neutral shades. So I'm going to be wearing this face of makeup for 10-11 hours today. When I get home, I will give you guys my final thoughts at that time. We'll see if there's any fallout, any smudging, flaking, smearing from the mascara. We'll make sure the blush is still on, but I think it's going to be a pretty good makeup day, and I will check in with you guys later. Hey guys, so this is the 12-hour mark. I've had this face of makeup on for 12 hours. I have to say that I really like the eyeshadow. I love the look today. I think it was nice. It was a neutral look, but still fun with the pop of gold at the bottom. I noticed just a little bit of smudging from the mascara right there, but nothing that couldn't be flaked off with the spoolie. I have minor fallout, but I didn't use glitter glue and it's been 12 hours. So I am a-okay with how this eyeshadow looks. I think it still looks intact. It still looks good. Everything is in place. I like the mascara. I will continue to try it out. But so far, this Bella Beaute Bar collection is definitely getting 2 thumbs up from me. Don't forget that this collection goes live on August the 2nd at 11 a.m. CST, and my affiliate code STEFF10 will save you 10% off of your order. Let me know if you're going to be picking any of these goodies up. Sound off in the comments down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Y'all have a great day or night wherever it is y'all are at. Stay hydrated, drink that water, and I'm going to see y'all very soon. Bye.